Isang Bula Vinaka Families, guys. Welcome to another beautiful day of another beautiful vlog. It's me, Boy Ninaor. Today we'll be grilling some fish, doing some white toni Cuisine again. Ando na pulang lang ako sumay. May nagay surprise na muna na ready ko akin. Andra kita nakatunggo. Yasa natunggu ramatan siya. Ruangan naik ka ulit na ano na baru grill taken dorado asang ko tunggu na kena kumala sweet potato kumala baru tahu sarai naik grill mata Cuisine again nita kanina sarap atau sar niwat sina video wan Bula Vinaka Families mai kana
in our vibe, always shining like a light. Come on, join the family, let's now move as one. Every light, every shade, that's how we run. Step inside the journey, feel the island vibe. We rise together, family. This is the Tagi Modiaya style. Come feel the boy in our vibe. Welcome in, come stand beside. Just a like, share and
make sure clean the fish properly. Hindi mo mo second job? Uy. Aset ko next week Kam daru gorok nganto kay daru sanga daru somaranon daru ka. Kato tapalya sa kami kay vitus mengi kay login nga. So mirangan na Weh, mada sao che buli sui mai, sui ni bulma. Ongai soup tak. Bro. Kas kundara se kandar moli bole talme. Gona sui ni lupe ni bulma ka. Weh, bro ngai la penga pa gona sui lutu saran leon. Na urro mata ngai ngai kanya pango. Sama te urro mate sara. Dona teki shop. Slow cook tagi sartu. Don't forget to turn your fish. Don't overcook it. Slow cook taka tu via tulu panayaw. Kaveci. Reda ako post taka na garlic. Siya tabiok. Wala tumikan tabiok. Bongo, bondo mandangan na singa metuso tawabo ito taw takto na pasang kasui. Sarap na kurulew. Butanga pabundo nga do na lori patendo na pakngur jebi kukungur. Iyo, dan besar tu ngai bacinilik tu ngai kanut. Mana nonton. Ortei puta, kavi ortsalas. But kero babulang imata ka breakfast, kito may breakfast. Opa, patuko na may tupo ang tapat ka nga. Eh.
My Bula girl, I love Bula girl, I want you. I will lay you down on the bed of roses out of Monaco.
When you're far away from home, this is the kind of food we always want to eat. Huh? Yeah. Na kagur na meteri sigur li no tangkar tu tumba an tanda bitu na swing cha. Som ko tena tebel dom tam herto ikat so. Tomato. The fish. Everything. Nice.
Kalau ada may bili tuh.
Saya nga panas to ni Iran. Parli. Turun 20 million itu. Slow down the heat. Ready to rumble. Bro here will show you guys how to mala.
Dorado. And white tom tom. Fijian style. I'm waiting for the sweet potato to cook. Grill with brown potatoes as used. Sweet potato. And then get slow. Oh, there it is. Let's just peel it off. Ready for the evening dinner. Hungry, yeah? Nice. Freshwater fish. Called the Dorado. The top. What a beautiful sunset. Nice. Righto.
Sweet potato. Mala. White tom tom. Extra chili. Fish. Okay. Masuk na boleh turangan sing binani ko na boleh nambul ni jos kan matuvale ngumbula kan nambul ng matuvale kram ni uswa klonga taga na isul-sul sa baru tungu me kero banga taka me kan bul kinawan bakanir talaga kan tu se hurur si sunu bakambula emeni go bro, show us how you eat the white tom tom in Germany. Benike benike fa. Yeah. So that's how you do it.
German style.
German style, like this. Chibun. Okay, taste. Do the honor.
Look at that beauty.
Baby. Tangan mo de batang. Ida kumala kaservinandu.
Boy. Mario Bando. Fresh chilies, fresh tomatoes, and fresh onions. Like so.
A little bit of crunch from the cucumber. Mekana.
Malaka.
This is what we call white tom tom. You will see other vlogs we use coconut milk, so that's mitzi. This is different, just tap water, grill the fish, but it is different if you grill the fish over the charcoal, firewood. Take out the bones, just soak it like that.
Foundation, no?
Wow. Amazing. That. Woo. If you have flu, this is the kind of food you should eat.
Ikan natura tadi yang ikan di negeri. Nice.
Sama green. So tapos na ikan ko ni kauro.
Baru mira level. Dia makan sui ya. Dilaw na.
Andre ko sa kile next time ya. Dara rosara na ikan. Right. Pinakataka biyo may white tom-tom pa ko may na boil.
May boil.
I can feel the heat, eh? And the chili. Raw onion. Tap. Risotto.
Если на каптала дом.
Pandu. Tabdangan na meat. First time I did this. Try this. Here in Germany. Always with coconut cream. Taruh kalingan na ito. If you want to try, come here. Jinu Road, District 30. Yo, now it's time for coffee. And with this beautiful pudding, it's Connie baked. So now we will have coffee together with Connie. Can do after Fijian foods. It's good to have a cup of tea, something sweet. And then ready for the Tanutanu. Nasoka. Beautiful. This one. Gatalnya ko no. Bro. Just like in the cafe.